One TV special report.
Thank you so much, Miss Eunice Encarnada, for that beautiful interpretation and singing or rendition of our Ako Ay Pilipino. And this time, let us now hear messages or inaugural messages coming from our leaders in the province of Misamis Occidental. And to begin, let us hear from the representative of the 1st District of Misamis Occidental. A round of applause for Congressman Jason P. Almonte.
Jason P. Almonte, sa distrito uno ay diskarte. Akseso permanente, mualagad mo serbisyo permanente. Jason P. Almonte, di kabiyaan kuyo pa permanente. Jason P. Almonte.
Sa akong pagtahod sa amahan sa probinsya, Governor Attorney Henry S. Waminal, tapad niya ayahang kapikas, Attorney Pearl Waminal, ang keeper sa langit, pinangaluhan ni Archbishop Martin Humuad, kauban nako sa Kongreso, Congressman Ando Waminal sa 2nd District, ang bagong Congressman sa 3rd District sa Misamis Occidental, Congressman Indy Waminal of the Ascenso Party List, mga mayores sa tulo ka syudad, mayores sa 14 ka lungsod sa tibuok Misamis Occidental, mga vice mayor, councilors, barangay captains sa tibuok Misamis Occidental, mga kauban sa trabaho sa gobyerno, mga amigo, mga kapamilya sa mga kandidato, upan apil ang ako ang pamilya nga naasab karon diri. Again, maayong udto kanatong tanan. I stand before you not as a winner or a victor in the last election, but as a public servant deeply humbled by the renewed trust of the people of the 1st District of Misamis Occidental. I return to this position not the owner, but its steward, fully aware that this seat belongs to the people of Misamis Occidental. 1st District, Misamis Occidental. I am truly grateful for the confidence you have shown to me. Your renewed mandate makes me reassured that somehow we or I must have done something good, something right in the past 3 years. Daghang salamat sa inyong pagsalig. Once again, I accept this sacred responsibility with a heart filled with gratitude and humility. The mandate you have given me is not just a vote of confidence, but it is a call to work harder, to listen more intently, and deliver with even greater urgency and sincerity. First and above all, I'll give glory and thanks to the Lord, whose grace makes all things possible. In the quiet battles and loud victories, this has remained our constant in the moments of triumph. It is our guide and our source of the strength. May every decision I make in this second term reflects His grace and His wisdom. To my family who had supported me and walked every step of the journey with me, daghang salamat sa inyong gugma o pagsabot. For the first time, my father would not be available presently to enjoy and celebrate these things with us. My recognition sa koang amahan, former Congressman Jorge Almonte, and her beloved wife, Vice Mayor Gigi Almonte, ako ang mga igsuon, Oji, Lilibet, Jeffrey, Don, Julius, and Nino, to my partner in life and partner in public service, former board member Ruby Alay-Ala, sa ako ang mga anak, si Ina, si Isabel, who's here with us, si Jose, and si Javi, trying to work out sa ilahang taksa-taksa ka studies at the meantime. And the youngest, Lilia, you are all my inspiration, my compass. You remind me every day why service must be sincere, grounded in honesty and integrity. I extend my deepest gratitude to our Governor, Attorney Henry Suaminal, who is the driving and unifying force behind the Ascenso team to succeed, whose bold vision and leadership has aligned our individual goals to the team's objective, motivating and pushing us to do better, to do more for the people, for our beloved province, Misamis Occidental. Gov. Henry has united us under one banner and one battle cry, Ascenso Misamis Occidental. He has brought us together not as an individual politicians, but as a team held together by a shared goal. Tungod sa iyang panglantaw, iyang kakugi, iyang paningkamot, nahimong usa ang atong mga tumong para sa Misamis Occidental. Ang tinguha nga Misamis nun, magpuyong malinawon, malambuon, o malipayon. In Congress, I neither walk alone. Wala ko nagsulo-sulo dito. I need the guidance and suggestions of my colleague, my partner in the 2nd District of Misamis Occidental, whose dedication and hard work has been a source of inspiration and confidence. And now, are even stronger with the Ascenso Pinoy party list gaining a seat in Congress. I welcome Congressman Henry Indi Waminal, another strong partner not for politics, but for progress. I also want to emphasize that for me to be here, I take a solemn oath of office. This is not my achievement alone. Dili nako ni makabot kung wala ang inyong tabang o pagsalig kanako. Dili ko maabot aning posisyon na kung wala mo nagtabang o nagpahimutang kanamo. Para sa nakaila kanako, dili kay ko akong personalidad, dili kayo mahilig o saad or unsa. I have never been one to make promises just for the applause. Para nako ang pulong usa ka saad nga balaan mas maayo kung mapahimuslan sa katawhan ang akong nabuhat or makontribute para sa First District and para sa probinsya sa Misamis Occidental. We paved the roads na create through ni Governor ang atong hospital. We equip the classrooms with open all the lives. We have met better speak louder than the speech I can give you today. But beyond health, I also recognize how essential to improve our infrastructure and facilities. One of my long-held dreams, even before I became a congressman, was to see all municipal gymnasiums in the First District nga mahimong air-conditioned para mo follow suit sa fully air-conditioned sa gymnasium sa siyudad sa Oroqueta. And this year, nanapoy another 30 million for the improvement of this gymnasium. Most probably, a better seats, BIC seats provided in the sides para mas comfortable. That dream is slowly becoming. As of today, 7 gymnasiums out of 9 municipalities ang aircon na. So, duhan na lang ni. Nahimo na to ang 7 on the last 3 years, definitely ang tuha mas sayon kaysa 7 himuon aning dapita. Now, dili imposible ang makabot nato og unsa in the next 3 years to come. With a little more experience, medyo wider network, a few friends, mga amigo ni Kong Ando, mga amigo ni Kong Henry, mga amigo ni Governor Henley nga willing mo contribute for us in this endeavor para makabuot na to ang asenso sa Misamis Occidental. If you recall, during the campaign, wala nangampanya si Governor Henry para sa iyang kaugalingon lamang. Si Kong Ando wala nangampanya sa iyang kaugalingon lamang. Si Mayor Indy wala nangampanya sa iyang kaugalingon lamang. Ako wala ko nangampanya sa kuang kaugalingon lamang. Kundili tanang paagi kung pwede mahimo makadaog lang tanan. Everybody should step out of their way to make our dreams come true para diri sa Misamis Occidental. Daghang salamat sa inyong pagtampo anang dagpita. Out of 82 provinces sa tibuok Pilipinas, ang Misamis Occidental lang tingali ang nakadeliver sa maong landslide or tsunami victory in terms of local and in terms of national candidates. Gamay ta nga probinsya, but certainly out of 82, basin mahimong konsultant si Governor Henry Puhon o giunsa niya ang Misamis Occidental. While we celebrate small wins in pursuit of our goals, we will not settle for a partial progress or halfway victories. And I will do all this in strong partnership again with our beloved governor, with our 2 congressmen, sa mga mayors, and sa tanan kaninyo naan today. You, all the people deserve. What deserve for a service nga extra pagyud in the last 3 years ang milabay. 2022, nag-i-appreciate na ko, nakatsamba ko og daog, milabaw ko sa kong kontra 28,000. Karon 2025, nakatsamba na pod ko, milabaw na ko og 90,000 karong eleksyon na. I hope this swerte would translate for a better future for all of us. So today, I raise not only my right hand, I raise my whole being to do the service not only to the first district of Misamis Occidental, but to contribute for the entire province. Kini nga panumpa, dili lang usa ka formalidad, usa kini kapanata sa akong buhaton, ang tanan aron dili magmahay nga ang inyong gisaligan pag-usab. Daghang salamat. Let us move forward together. Let us continue to work what we have shared. Let us rise not as individuals but as one province, one people, and one Misamis Occidental. Daghang salamat, asenso, maayong udto kanatong tanan.
Ladies and gentlemen, Congressman Jason P. Almonte, the representative of 1st District of the Province of Misamis Occidental.
Mo alagad mo serbisyo permanente. Jason P. Almonte.
Let's also hear a message coming from the representative of the 2nd District of the Province of Misamis Occidental. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Congressman Sancho Fernando F. Waminal.
I have here a prepared speech because I am time limited to 5 minutes. As usual, I speak directly impromptu, but because of this time limitation, I had to draft my thoughts into this tablet here. Our messenger in heaven, looking around, I feel safe because I know that the strong presence of our Philippine National Police is securing us, but I feel safer because we have here our spiritual protectors, ang atong mga kaparian headed by Archbishop Martin Humawad. To the founder of Asenso, the father of the province, the father of our family, and I repeat how I described him in the past, the magician of Misamis Occidental, Governor Henry S. Waminal. And to our mother, his better half, Attorney Pearl Grace Waminal. Of course, to my ever-lovely partner, Dr. Princess Sardin. Our 96-year-old grandmother who came here to witness this memorable event, Mrs. Norma Go Fuentes. I stand corrected, 97 years old. My partner in Congress, nga sa iyang giingon, dili magsolo-solo, we always try to bring the same things for both districts. And I would agree and I would congratulate you kay sa imong giingon, you must have done something good in the last 3 years. Ako, as witness, as your partner in Congress, I would agree and congratulate you because you did something not just great but more than great in the last 3 years. Congressman Jason Almonte, accompanied by his partner, Ma'am Ruby Alay. And also today, we are proud to welcome a new voice for the province of Misamis Occidental in the House of Representatives. You know, it feels nostalgic for me. When I was in grade 3, I was studying at Osamis Montessori Center in Doña Consuelo. Gamay ra nga eskwelahan, ang grade 3 nga mga estudyante gitipo sa grade 4. So, at that time, grade 4 siya. Ako, grade 3. Classmates mi sa eskwelahan. Karon, classmates na pod mi sa 20th Congress. No less than my brother, Congressman Henry Indy Waminal Jr., accompanied by his ever-supportive wife, Attorney Samantha King Waminal. Vice Governor Rowena Gutierrez and the members of the Provincial Board, city and municipal mayors of the 14 municipalities and 3 cities. Special mention to our host city mayor, Mayor Lemuel Acosta, and of course to the mayor of our hometown in Ozamis, our new mayor, Attorney Sam Norman Fuentes, and the other city mayor in my district, Mayor Sabiniano Ben Canama Jr. Provincial Director Romel Magleo and members and officers of the PNP, ang atong mga barangay kapitanes o mga barangay konsihales, atong pakpakan tanan. You have made all this possible. To our beloved Misamisnons, my fellow public servants, partners in progress, friends from the media, family, dear guests, good afternoon to each and every one of you. Today marks a historic moment, not just for the 2nd District, but for the entire province of Misamis Occidental. For the first time in our political history, all candidates under one team, from the party list, the governor, the congressman, down to the councilors, have taken their oath together, fresh from a sweeping and unprecedented victory. And that is the victory of Team Ascenso. This is indeed a powerful affirmation of unity, dedication, and the unwavering support of our people. This victory is not just political. It is deeply personal. It is a reflection of the trust and confidence that the people of Misamis Occidental continue to give to Team Ascenso. It is a recognition of the work we have done, and more importantly, a vote of faith and trust in the work we still have to do. Our banner, Ascenso, is more than just a word. It is a commitment, a mission, a promise. A promise to bring meaningful change, to make progress real and visible in the lives of every Misamisnon. And yes, that promise is being fulfilled, as you have seen them already in so many ways throughout the district, throughout both districts of our beloved province. We all here have seen, atong nakita, how under Team Ascenso, hundreds of kilometers of our roads have been paved and smoothened already, making it safe and easier for our people to travel. In fact, as we speak, as of this moment, dozens of kilometers of dirt roads are continuously being concreted and repaired, and nearing each and every household in every barangay of Misamis Occidental. We now have barangay health centers and multipurpose buildings in many barangays. Patients needing emergency treatments in each barangay are now able to avail the free use of our brand new Toyota rescue vehicles. We have free housing facilities that help families achieve their lifelong dream of a comfortable and secure home. And let's not forget one of the programs closest to my heart, the Ascenso Free Hospitalization Program. Started in Ozamis and has now expanded throughout the entire province. All of these are the result of Team Ascenso's collective desire to lift Misamis Occidental toward lasting and inclusive development. But none of this would be possible without the people who responded positively to our efforts, our partners, our communities, our dear Misamisnons. Let me emphasize this. Ascenso leaders provide the direction. We identify or try to find solutions. We build the infrastructure. We create opportunities. But the real engine of progress is you, the people of Misamis Occidental. We want to lead a district where people are not part of the problem, but are actively part of the solution, where everyone is a co-architect of progress. The roads, the hospitals, the schools, and services we provide will only make a real difference if we all choose to use them wisely, care for them responsibly, and utilize them to uplift our lives and that of our community. I can go on and enumerate all the projects and the programs that we have done in the past 3 years or so, but time would not permit me to do so. What I ask and what I'm sure is that as long as our eyes are open and our ears are open, we see and we hear that indeed progress, that indeed Ascenso has started already in the province of Misamis Occidental. So much has been done, yet so much still needs to be done. As your leaders in the province, we are ready for another term. We never stopped working because the overwhelming victory and trust that you gave to Team Ascenso must result in overwhelming progress for the entire province. As one of the leaders of Team Ascenso, and as the son of the founding father, the governor of Misamis Occidental, I wish to extend my sincerest and heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made this historic straight Ascenso victory possible. Atong pakpakan ang mga barangay officials nga nangusog, nga walay masingit. You know, to be honest, and I am sure you are all aware of this, since 2019, I would say, wala man nato na straight dayon atong 2019, wala man nato na straight dayon atong 2022, but since 2019, we have enjoyed an overwhelming supermajority of more than 85% of victory sa candidates on Team Ascenso. And what is so wonderful and heartwarming is that you, the leaders and the people, Sometimes you overlook the individual personalities already. Inyo nang wa na ninyo tanawa kinsa ning kandidatuha as long as he is or she is under Team Asenso, inyo nang gibutaran. Bisan pag moingon mo nga daghag parinti sa inyong barangay, pero kung dili gali karga sa Team Asenso, wala na jud ninyo padag-a. And in many barangays, ang ilang gitanaw, dili na lang lain-lain nga apelyido. In Osamis, duhara ka apelyido gitanaw. It's either mutanaw sila Waminal ba or kung dili Waminal, Asenso ang apelyido ila ng gipadaog. That trust is appreciated. That trust is treasured. That is why we never stop to find solutions to the problems that our communities are facing. This organization is not perfect, but we assure you that we are exerting all our efforts to give the best programs and services. Ang inyong gipakita nga pinakakusog nga suporta nga kung muingon si Governor Henry i-reject na ni sa Team Asenso, bahalag incumbent pa, mahimong incumbent nga governor or incumbent nga mayor. Sukad 2022, inyo nang gipakita, basta rejected sa Team Asenso, bisag unsa kadugay sa pamulitika, bisag unsa ka isog sa pangalan, gi-reject ninyo sa inyong barangay, kay inyong gipadaog ang Team Asenso. Inyong gipadaog ang miyembro sa team nga inyong nakita masaligan o mutuman sa mga saad. The leaders, the members may change, but the vision of Asenso stays and remains. So to my fellow Asenso leaders and my fellow workers in government, together, let's continue rising as one. Let us continue to dream big, to work hard, and move forward as proud and united Misamisnons. Rest assured, to all my fellow workers in the government, if you share the same vision as Asenso, if you abide by our mandate of putting the interest of the people first, I will always be your friend. Otherwise, your congressman will always be your enemy. And again, to the Misamisnons, thank you very much for your unending trust and support. This victory is yours, and this progress, Asenso, is for you. Padayon, Asenso, Segundo Distrito, Asenso, Misamis Occidental.
Ladies and gentlemen, Congressman Sancho Fernando F. Waminal, the 2nd District Representative of the Province of Misamis Occidental. This time, we will hear a message coming from another congressman of the Province of Misamis Occidental, representing the first ever homegrown party list, Asenso Pinoy party list here in Misamis Occidental. We have here the shining milestone for Asenso Pinoy and the pride of Misamis Occidental, Congressman Henry F. Waminal Jr.